So our aim is to rotate the 3D object without affecting its movement. So let's get started. So just go to your script, and I have here a very much simple one. So I have a bouncing ball. I have created this. You can check this tutorial, entire tutorial in Unity tutorials of playlist of my channel. Just some simple script over here. So now we want to rotate the ball. So for rotating the ball, the rotation must be continuous. Must rotate for every second. So we are just going to use the void update, because void update is called for every frame. That means nearly equal to second. So it does the things inside this function for every second. So this is exactly right to perform. So just we are going to type R. So R refers here the rigid that sphere football that I had. So R dot transform dot and rotate. That's the thing. Rotate, and we are just going to pass the parameters. So we can first let me tell it out the x, y, comma, z. So it's going to be 5, comma 0, comma 0. You can see here x float angle y. So let it be 5, comma 0, comma 0 means. So now if I run it, it will rotate, but it will also move towards that. So you can see it just moves and it's going to fall down. So this is not going to work out. So if we even remove and if you put ease kinematic and run, you can clearly see that the ball is rotating, but the rotation is adding somewhat movement to that. So one way to change it is vector. You're just going to vector 3 dot up or down, anything is good. Just going to put up, comma, and also the axis will be 1, and just save it and change. Check this. Is change it to normal. Remove the memory. Now you just play it. So you can see it's slightly it's moving. Let me increase the speed of them. Okay, and let me now run it. And you can see here it's moving, and this rotation hasn't affected the move transfer position of that ball. But there's another one thing here. So as you can see here, it's when I use vector 3 dot up, there is no change in that position, or no, there is not. It's not affecting the movement. But when I put left, something like that, and save it, it tremendously affects the movement. Right. Whether it just goes away out somewhere else. So I don't know the reason for this. So it's working fine when we put up or down, and it's not working when we put left. So I don't know the reason, and if you know the reason, just comment below.